Hello students, this is question number 3 of IOQM 2025 and 26, and the question says that the area of an integral sides of rectangle is 20. Then what is the minimum possible value of its parameters? So we can see that if I'm taking the length of the rectangle, length as L, and the breadth we are taking it as equal to B. So the area over here that will become L into B, and this they have mentioned is equal to 20. Moreover, the minimum possible area of perimeter they're asking. So the perimeter of this is going to be equal to 2 times of length per breadth. Now, what are the possible values which can come from here? Since L and B both are positive, so we can take the value of L as either 1 and the value of B in that case will be 20. So this is the ordered pairs L comma B. Now, the next ordered pair that we can take from here that will be 2 and 10. The next ordered pair we can take from here is 4 and 5. And this can be reversed as well. So any one thing, L and B, we can take either as 120 or 20 comma 1. Now the perimeter we need to check for each and every one. So the perimeter into the first case, so that will become 2 times of 1 plus 20. So that is going to be equal to 42. The next one is the same way, 2 times of 10 plus 2. So that is 12 into 2, that will be 24. And the next case we can see this is 2 times of 4 plus 5. So that will be 9. 9 into 2 is 18. Now the minimum possible value they are asking us. So the minimum possible perimeter. So that has to come out to be equal to 18, and therefore 18 has to be the final answer. And the same is been mentioned by IOQM final answer key as well.